Globe is a small model of the Earth. It is spherical in shape. It is very useful for studying our Earth. It is marked with countries, continents, seas, oceans, rivers, bays, gulfs, etc. Our Earth is a very beautiful planet. Millions of human beings, plants and animals live here. The Earth is not just all land. In fact, only 1/3 area of the Earth is land. The other 2/3 is water. These large areas of water bodies are called oceans. The other part has different masses of land called continents. These masses of land are very uneven, made up of mountains, valleys, plains, and plateaus. In ancient times, people believed that the earth was flat and anyone who went to its edge would fall off the earth. It was Ferdinand Magellan who first sailed around the earth to prove that the earth was round. As science progressed, man traveled into space and it was learned that not only earth but sun and the moon too are round. Locating places on a globe. When you look at a globe, you will find that it has an axis known as the axis of the earth. This axis meets the surface of the earth at two places called as North Pole and the South Pole. You will also notice that a line passes between half of the earth that divides it into two hemispheres known as Equator. The region above the equator is known as the northern hemisphere, while the region below the equator is known as the southern hemisphere. The North Pole lies in the northern hemisphere and the South Pole lies in the southern hemisphere. Latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are the imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator. They are drawn in east-west direction. Equator is the latitude that passes through the center of the earth. There are total 181 latitudes, 90 in the northern hemisphere, 90 in the southern hemisphere, and 1 equator. As we move towards the poles, the lines of latitudes become smaller due to the spherical shape of the earth. Equator is the largest circular line of latitude. There are 5 major latitudes: Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. Longitudes. Longitudes are the vertical imaginary lines that run from north to south. There are 360 lines of longitudes. They run from one pole to the another pole. The 0-degree longitude that divides the earth into two equal halves, giving us the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, is the Prime Meridian. At about 180 degrees longitude lies the international date line. This line passes through the Greenwich observatory in London. The lines of latitudes and longitudes together form a grid known as the Geographical Grid. This geographical grid helps us to locate any given place on the earth with the help of GPS. Thanks for watching.